I think the nurse preceptorship has really helped with my development and given me a lot more confidence than I previously had. I think being newly qualified, you are scared and nervous, so having the nurse preceptorship as a support network was really useful, and it was extra training, and if there was anything you were unsure about, you had senior staff to talk to and go to for that support. I feel really lucky to have joined a really supportive team. It's also knowing I have the support from the ward setting as well, because I'm based in community. It's getting to know everyone from the ward and knowing I can go to them for help as well, so it's an extra. It was also a really good opportunity to reflect on things. We had time dedicated to discussing experiences and exposure, and any concerns we had, it was the opportunity to discuss those with a senior member of staff. It takes away some of the anxiety about being newly qualified. I definitely would recommend it.